Florida, you made the news again. A couple in Cocoa Beach apparently had a little argument. Well, this argument escalated pretty bad when the girlfriend shot the boyfriend. Here is what they were fighting over: his snoring. That's legit. That's a legit reason to shoot somebody. I mean, if that was the case, I probably wouldn't be here right now, because apparently I sound like a train and a bear, and apparently I snore really bad. But this guy must have denied it because she was fed up with him and just decided to shoot him with a shotgun. That's intense. So, news outlet reports that when the Brevard County Sheriff's deputies arrived at the couple's home last week, they were told the shooting was accidental. But as they investigated, they found that the shooting happened during an argument between 47-year-old Lori Marin and her boyfriend. As the argument escalated, deputies say Marin got a shotgun and fired at her boyfriend. Yeah, nuts. Deputies say the two were fighting about his snoring. The man was taken to the hospital, where he was listed in stable condition. Marin faces attempted murder and aggravated battery charges, and she's being held without bond at the Brevard County Jail. Records didn't list a lawyer. You gotta have a really good lawyer to get you out of this one. Like, I mean, maybe she was going for the, let me show you how loud you snore. You're as loud as this shotgun. See? You're that loud. Maybe it was, yeah, she was using that as like just a way to explain the volume of his snoring, and he was accidentally in the way of the direction of the shotgun. Man, I could totally be her lawyer. Hit me up. I will represent you. I will not tell anybody that you're crazy, and I will say that my wife can vouch that whoever snores that loud probably deserved it. Probably, I could say, like, look, you're snoring with her lack of sleep. You drove her to it. It's your fault, sir, that you got shot. Your Honor, no further questions. Man, I should have been a lawyer. If you need a lawyer and you need to be represented, hit me up. I will represent you. I can't guarantee you'll win, but at least we'll have a good time. Because I watched Legally Blonde and Legally Blonde 2 and Judge Judy, Judge Wapner, Judge Dredd. I could totally do this. Let me know. I don't know. I always thought I'd be a good lawyer. But on that note, give me a thumb up. Comment below if you want me to represent you with your legal matter. Subscribe if you haven't already, and share, because sharing is caring. And I care. We'll see you later. Bye.